Kia ora koutou. Hi, my name is Bridget.
And more arts at our Winton School, I'm Emily. Welcome to N.E.W.S News for A.S.A.P, the 9th of April.
Yes, Ra'apa is Junior Kapa Haka Day for this week. Please bring your kai to the hall at 12:30.
You'll eat together, then ring the bell when kani starts at 12:45.
Now, for some Techie team news, there is a lunchtime meeting in room 9 at 12:30. Bring your kai.
Keep wearing your HI VIZ vests. Most students are wearing their HI VIZ vests to and from school. Please do likewise.
If you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can also read all the notices in the text box below.
All year 7 and 8 students interested in playing basketball next term, get your forms from your teachers into the office A.S.A.P. Thanks.
Last news for the day about PGG Wrightson Super Rugby ticket competition.
We can win tickets for the whole school to see the Crusaders and the Highlanders games next month.
Get into PGG and fill out a form. It's the farming supplies shop next to the ambulance building.
Okay, that's all we've got for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka koutou popo.